So we're doing a little bit of alchemy today to make something for your July box. So I hope you guys are gonna love this. I gotta test it out because I don't really know what I want the scent to be. So I'm testing out just a couple little things and we will find out which one is the best. And apparently this is a pretty precise thing that I'm trying to do here, which I didn't know at the time, but I think it's going to be really cool, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys this next month when we get your boxes. Whoops, I got that all over my counter. So now we're going to place what we just put in these bottles into here. There's our first one. Here's our second. And our third. So now what's going to happen with this is it is going to kind of sit overnight and kind of marry those fragrances in there, and we are going to see what it smells like in the morning, and that way I can see if that is the one that I want for you guys. Or I'm going to make a second one here with a little bit different of the base, and we will figure out which one is the best. So that is what I am doing today. So kind of a fun little chemistry project here for myself. So see if I got that. Yep, I got that good. So there's our first one. I think I was supposed to do a little bit less on this guy. So we'll go back over here to our mLs. Okay, so we'll try that. And then we are going to do this guy, the one that likes to slide down the side all over my counter. So this is our second scent that we're going to see which one we like better tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So one of these is going to end up in your box for July, and let me tell you, my kitchen right now is smelling pretty darn good. So I think you guys are going to love this. At least I hope you are. So that is our little test for the day. We're going to kind of mix this guy up a little bit, and we will see how they end up tomorrow. So thanks for joining me.